It's the vibe for me. Do you see her out there bobbing freely? Step away.
Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. If you are new to my channel, what's up? My name is Marisa. If you are a part of the fam, welcome back. So today's video is going to be me reviewing and installing this bomb wig. So if you guys want to see, make sure you guys stay tuned. But before you go, you already know why, because I say this in every video. Make sure you guys thumbs up this video, hit that subscribe button. Stay tuned. Okay, so let's go ahead and get into the review of this unit. This is the Sensationnel Butta unit number 22 in the shade 1B. So it says that it has undetectable lace. They do have other colors that you can get with this. Undetectable HD lace at that. Blends in with most skin tones, ear-to-ear lace, pre-plucked with the baby hairs, and natural density hairline. So I have tried one of their units before. It was like the long wavy one. I cannot remember the name of it, but I'll try to link a card up here in the video, or I'll try to leave it down in the description box. But baby, Miss Mama's is giving, like, she is giving. She's giving classic, she's giving icon, she's giving super sexy, she's giving chic, she's giving boss, she's giving main character. Like, girl, it's the vibe for me. Literally, this unit is so freaking pretty. And it's like, it's just moving. Like, this hair is literally just moving. Like, you see, I got it right back into place. Like, it understands the assignment. So as you guys saw in the video of me installing it, was pretty simple, pretty easy. I literally took it out, put some foundation powder around the hairline, went in with some spray, which I used this time the Snob Life Mingly Better Than Glue spray. This is my first time using this. If y'all have watched my channel, I use so many different products when it comes down to installing wigs, especially like my synthetic ones. So I use this one, first time using it, and it's not going anywhere. So that's a plus. I know you could use it for like other lace units, like other, like, I guess, real hair lace wigs, but it did its justice with this synthetic unit as well too. So that's a plus. I ordered this from Sam's Beauty, and the price point was probably around about $40 by the time I ended up getting it. It ended up being a little bit higher with shipping and everything, which is, it is what it is. But I got my unit in about 3 to 4 days. So That's always a plus. I think this is my first time ordering from Sam's Beauty. I'm usually Hair So Fly Shop or Ebony Line, so, or wig types. So with Sam's Beauty, I have nothing but good things to say about them as well. Honestly, this unit is so pretty. This is a year-round unit, like year-round. I mean, it's giving, I need to flat iron that back there in the back, but it has a little bit of an asymmetrical vibe to it. But you can never go wrong with a bob. You just cannot. I mean, this literally is so sleek. It does take heat up to 400 degrees, as you guys saw also in the video. I took my hot comb on the, like, not even a 5, maybe a 10, and I just wanted to kind of lay it down. And then I took my flat iron to kind of give my ends a little bit of bump. I don't really like the super, like, paper straight. I need for it to have, you know, a little bit of a curve, not like a whole, you know, flip thing, but just a little bit of a curve to it. But this is so pretty. I honestly feel like you cannot go wrong with this unit. I feel like every woman needs a bob. Like, if you are a wig wearer like myself and you like long hair like I do, because I'm usually like 26, 28, 30 inches down my back, and honestly, like, I will reach for a unit every now and then that's a little bit on the short side, but for the most part, I mean, the longer the better. But with this, you literally cannot miss. You cannot miss with this. You can definitely rock this to work. You can rock this going out. You can, you know, you can rock this on the weekends. I mean, this literally, and how sleek this is, you just cannot go wrong. Like, this is, let's indulge for a moment on how bomb this looks, okay? I'm sold. I'm sold. Now, I purchased this unit with my own coins, so either way, I'm gonna give it to you straight, no chaser. But this is such a very cute, effortless unit. Let me show you guys as far as tangling. I'm running my fingers through it. It did do a little bit of shedding when I was flat ironing it, but honestly, there's no unit that's not gonna shed, so it is what it is with that. But I really like this. I really, really, really like this. I have not, honestly, let me knock on wood, I have not came across the unit that I've actually purchased that was like, no, absolutely not, I will never try it again. This right here is everything. And the way that, I mean, it looks like it's coming out of my scalp. That's even better. It looks so natural. Like, you can't miss with this. You just can't. Little side profile. And then here's the back. Very pretty. So yeah, if you guys have any questions or anything like that, let me know. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate you all every time y'all stop by my channel and y'all watch a girl or whatever like that. Come on, be a part of the family. You know, let's chat down in the comment section below. And yeah, until next time, as always, bye guys.